Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this order of operation question, that is 2 times 4 minus 4 plus 2. Many people fail to solve because they solve it like this: 2 times 4 as 8 and 4 plus 2 as 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2, which is a wrong answer. We already mentioned that answer is not 2. So what is the correct answer and correct approach? When you have given multiple operations like multiplication, subtraction, then addition, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then of, then division and multiplication both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction, but always remember you have to solve it from left to right. People skip this and reach that wrong answer. So first do the multiplication. It gives 8 minus 4 plus 2. Now we know that addition and subtraction have same priority, but don't forget to solve it from left to right. So from left to right, 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So what is the correct answer? 6, not 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.